Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. I hope everyone is quite well. So today I'm going to show you how we can fetch weather records, detail with the help of Python. So you need to use these two modules, import Python weather and import asyncio. You can install both of them with the with the help of PowerShell, and then you can update it with this command. So now let me show you how we can find out the weather detail. I'm going to copy the code and then suppose I want to find out the weather detail of Lublin. So it is showing that current temperature of Lublin, which is a area, which is a part of Poland, so which is 18 degrees Celsius now. Okay, then we'll now find out. Now find out detail of London. Okay, so if I want to find out weather detail of London, then I'm going to use again same method, and just I need to type London here, and we can find out weather detail very easily. So it's 15 degrees Celsius, condition cloudy. So yeah, so now then if I want to find out detail of suppose New York, so New York, so let's find out. So it is showing weather detail of New York. Now daily and hourly for the forecast for daily and hourly. So let's find out. So then we're going to find out for Dhaka. Okay, so thank you all, best of luck, and keep watching my videos if you want to learn more. I will be back with more new techniques and tricks to for making your learning resources helpful. Thank you all. Best of luck.